Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my Crypto.com Crypto 101 series. If you have not seen my previous video about using the platform and its benefits, make sure you check it out. Crypto.com has an all-in-one, easy-to-use platform. So today we're going to talk more about how to buy and sell crypto and how to do this safely, efficiently, and how to store it safely as well. Let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing I want you guys to know about buying and selling cryptocurrency is that you actually own the asset on the blockchain. So you have to make sure that you own the keys to the crypto. A popular saying in the crypto space is not your keys, not your crypto. So something as with Robinhood, you don't actually own the cryptocurrency you buy on their platform. So today I'm going to talk more about that and make sure that you guys are owning your crypto and you have full access to it and can do with it what you want. Do know that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are subject to capital gains if you hold them for less than 1 year. As a trader, I don't really focus on that too much, but as an investor, that's something that you want to be aware of. The first step of buying a cryptocurrency is finding a safe, reliable exchange to purchase it on. Now, I will tell you, a lot of new people to crypto will go and download the Coinbase app on their phone and buy and sell from there. That is a big no-no if you have been around a while because the fees are killer and the spread is killer. Now, I won't get into that, but you really get burned on fees and the spread on the mobile app through Coinbase. And I do have a video that I will link up top that explains that in more detail if you are curious to learn more about that. Coinbase is a safe exchange to use if you do want to go that route, along with Binance or Binance US if you're in the US, and of course, Crypto.com's platform, which is what we're talking about today. As a side note, many exchanges and platforms will require you to KYC. And what KYC means is know your customer. And basically that means they're going to take information from you, like your birthday and your name, etc., to make sure that you're verified as a user and that they trust you to be on their platform, which is kind of counterproductive to cryptocurrency in general because we like the whole decentralized aspect, but it can be a lot safer for you to use these exchanges. If you don't want to use an exchange that has KYC, you're not obligated to, but do know the risks that are involved with that as well. So of course, before you're able to buy or sell any cryptocurrency, you need to have an account somewhere. So you can head on over to crypto.com, create an account. Now, if you're in the US, you're going to see that you actually need to go to the app to create an account, and you can buy and sell through the app. Well, now with my VPN here, okay, on this account, you're going to see that you can actually go to the exchange and you can use the exchange if you are overseas and you're not in the United States. All right, so then here you could log in or sign up through that. My recommendation is always to use a separate email for any crypto related products. Make sure it's an email that's not going to contain any personal information because hacking is very common in the crypto space. And the last thing you need is a hacker to gain access to your email and find any KYC material, address, pictures, phone number, anything that they could use to help them gain access to your accounts. You want to make sure that that is all off of anything that is tied to exchanges. So once you've created an account, you should always go in and complete the Two Factor Authentication. And basically what that is, you can do it through Google and you'll find it in the Play Store or in the Apple Store. What you're going to do is you're going to download the Authenticator app and you just tie it to your account and it prompts you for an extra code every time you log into an exchange. Now, if you want to take your security even one step further, you can tie your 2FA account to a mobile device that is not connected to Wi-Fi anywhere. So whether you have like an old cell phone or an old tablet or something, it doesn't need to be connected to a wireless network and you can still use it. And then it's basically impossible for hackers to gain access to that because one of the biggest ways that people get hacked is they get SIM swapped on their cell phone and then people have access to their two-factor authentication or 2FA as you may see it called. So getting onto a separate mobile device that's not tied to any network will help give you that extra level of security. Fortunately for you, if you're new to the space, you're not going to have as hard of a time getting fiat onto exchanges to purchase cryptocurrency. And fiat is just your currency. So whether it's euros or US dollars, that is what you will see referred to as fiat. It used to be very challenging to actually get US dollars onto exchanges to purchase cryptocurrency, and a lot of credit cards are blocked. So the easiest way to do it is straight transfers from your bank account, which fortunately you can do on the Crypto.com app. So that is by far the easiest way to get the money onto your exchange to be able to purchase crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, what have you. So through the app, through the exchange overseas, you can set that up to where it's tied directly to your bank account, and you can withdraw and deposit back and forth as you please very easily. It's nice and simple, which is a really good feature to have on any exchange. All right, so once you finally deposited money onto the exchange, you can now go and purchase it. You are going to want to make sure if you are on Crypto.com that you're in the spot section. All right, that is just going to buy the cryptocurrency that you want. These other ones are going to be leveraged, and you don't want to focus on leverage if you're a first-time buyer. That's more of an advanced feature, and you can find that on different sections of my YouTube. So once you do buy that cryptocurrency, you're going to see the USD value of your account decrease and the value of whatever asset you're holding increase. So if you bought 1 Bitcoin, you should see 1 Bitcoin in your account. And now the value of your account is going to fluctuate with the Bitcoin price. If you're unsure about altcoins or how to diversify a portfolio, I do have an educational video that you can view here up top is a link for that. Just know that you do not have to buy a full Bitcoin or whatever asset you're looking at. So you can buy half a Bitcoin, you can buy 0.01 Bitcoin, and that can be a good way to dollar cost average. But just know that you don't have to buy a whole token of whatever asset you're looking at, or you can buy multiples as well of that asset. And then when you go to sell, you can also sell partial. So if you buy 1 whole Bitcoin and you want to sell half of that and put it elsewhere, you have the full right and ability to do that. One more thing you should understand is stable coins like USDC or USDT, which are going to be pegged to the dollar, meaning that they don't fluctuate in price. So it's basically like exchanging your crypto back into the dollar, but you're exchanging your crypto into crypto, if that makes sense. So if you just take, $100 and you put it into USDC, that is going to be holding $100 worth of crypto, but the price will not fluctuate like it would if you put $100 into Bitcoin. It's great to know about stablecoins because not all exchanges have a USD value function. So you may only be able to hold cryptocurrency on that exchange. And if you don't want to be sitting in volatile assets at all times, you can go into these stable coins again, like USDC and USDT or Tether. So now that you've purchased your first cryptocurrency, first off, congratulations, you are no longer a no-coiner and you are part of the cryptocurrency revolution. The crypto will stay in your account, you can log out, and next time you log in, you'll see it there. But there are ways to take extra security measures to protect it even further. So you can actually send it to another exchange. You can send it to a cold storage device such as a Trezor. But we will talk about sending and receiving crypto in my next episode, and we'll talk about how to store it as well. Hope you guys found this video educational and helpful. If you don't mind giving me a thumbs up, subscribing to my YouTube page, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, everyone. I just reached 15,000 subscribers. I appreciate it so much, and I'm going to keep the awesome content coming. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at NebraskanGooner, and I will catch you guys next time.